Students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve WBHA inter school test number 9 WBHA test paper class 12 এ আমরা সলভ করব prepared by কিশোর সরকার। তো চলো আজকের এই ভিডিওটি শুরু করা যাক। এমসিকিউ অ্যানসার গুলো দেখে নাও। প্রোস থেকে দিয়েছে the blind narrator was going to Mussoorie via Dehra jar indicates the emperor of Russia. ফার্স্ট এই নাম্বারটা হবে মিসেস লুয়েলা বেটস ওয়াশিংটন জোন্স গেভ রোজার $10 সি নম্বর one of the forebears of APJ Abdul Kalam's mother was bestowed the title of Bahadur. পোয়েট্রি থেকে চলে যাও the frosty silence is broken by the thrill of the cricket. William Shakespeare opens his poem with a questions. The poem Asleep in the Valley was written in the backdrop of Franco-Russian War. The final step of the annihilating tree is withering. Drama থেকে প্রশ্ন I remember too this said by Lomov to Chubukov. Oh, what a burden, Lord. The burden refers to Natalia. Oxen meadows, according to Natalia, are worth perhaps 300 rubles. Natalia comments that it is simply silly to argue about oxen meadows. এরপর রয়েছে এসকিউ কোশ্চেন্স প্রোজ এন্ড পোয়েট্রি থেকে তোমরা দেখে নাও What adjective has been used to describe the sun in the hills in October? The sun has been described as delicious in the hills in October. তোমরা অ্যানসারটা এভাবে লিখতে পারো হোয়াটের জায়গায় শুধু ডেলিশিয়াস কথাটা ব্যবহার করবে ডেলিশিয়াস অ্যাডজেক্টিভ has been used to describe the sun in the hills in October. পরের কোশ্চেন how did Kalam's father start his day? Kalam's father used to start his day at 4 a.m. by reading the namaz before dawn. How was Abdul Kalam's childhood? Abdul Kalam's childhood was very secure both materially and emotionally. What did Roger try to steal from Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones? Roger tried to steal a purse from Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones. এখানে তারপর পরের কোশ্চেন why did Roger want to thank Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones? Roger wanted to thank Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones because from her he learned to differentiate between right and wrong and also got $10 to buy the blue suede swoosh. Where did the jar sleep soundly? The jar slept soundly on the threshold of the hermit's hut. Who takes the lead in summer luxury? The grasshopper takes the lead in summer luxury. What does the phrase summer lease mean? The phrase summer lease means short time span of summer. What does the expression anchoring earth suggest? The expression anchoring earth suggests that the earth which is acting as the anchor is the source of the security and stability to the tree. Why does kids make the voice of grasshopper and cricket follow each other? Kids makes the voice of grasshopper and cricket follow each other in order to prove that music never ceases. What does the phrase earth cave indicate? The phrase earth cave indicates the gaping hole in the earth when the roots are pulled out. They fill the hollow full of light. What does the word they refers to? The word they refers to the rays of the sun in the poem Asleep in the Valley. Question: what shall not death bark about? Death will not bark about the charming existence of poet's friend. এরপর forgive me এটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ then I made a mistake এটা পড়তে হবে you gonna take me to jail এটাও পড়তে হবে এরপরে চলে আসো futility of war কবিতা থেকে মাস্ট পড়তে হবে এরপর so long lives this and this gives life to thee এই কোশ্চেনটা পড়বে এরপর ক্যারেক্টারের মধ্যে সবথেকে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ sketch the character of Chubukov in the play The Proposal. এরপর গ্রামার ডু অ্যাজ ডিরেক্ট গুলো দেখে নাও not a simple jab of knife will do it. এটাকে ইন্টারোগেটিভ করলে উইলটা আগে আসবে, will a simple jab of knife do it, question mark. The humming insects don't disturb his rest. Complex sentence যদি করো, the insects which are humming don't disturb his rest. এরপরে all the answers being different, the jar agreed with none of them, split করো. all the answers were different, একটা হলো, then the jar agreed with none of them, কারোর সাথে সহমত হয়নি. Chubukov said to Lomov, what sort of the hunter are you? narration change করো. Chubukov asked Lomov what sort of hunter he was. I normally add with my mother, adjective form করতে হবে, তো it was normal that I add with my mother. Voice change, my father could convey complex spiritual concept in very simple down to earth Tamil. তো এখানে অবজেক্টটা হচ্ছে complex spiritual concepts could be conveyed in very simple down to earth Tamil by my father. I was one of many children, a short boy with rather undistinguished looks, born to tall and handsome parents. We lived in our ancestral house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. এরপর রয়েছে but she bent down enough to permit him to stopping and pick up her purse. correct the errors. স্টপিং এর জায়গায় স্টপ হবে, কারণ টু আছে, এখানে ইনফিনিটিভ হবে to stop. Observation of World Environment Day in school by a staff reporter. হরিরামপুর জুন, তোমরা তোমাদের মধ্যে তারিখ দেবে. The World Environment Day was observed a great manner in the premises of XYZ school on দিয়ে তারিখ দেবে 5th June. The program started at 12 p.m. 12টায় শুরু হলো with the prayer song sung by the school student. The DI of Dakshin Dinajpur and the other distinguished persons like BDO, SDO, local MLA were present in the program. The function inaugurated উদ্বোধন করেছিল with the planting of saplings in the school premises by the guests. The headmaster and others emphasized on the necessity of pollution-free environment and the role of the students in this regard. The Honorable MLA told about duties of students and benefits of trees. Finally, the program ended with the speech of headmaster, and he thanked the chief guest for giving their valuable time and also thanked a large number of guardians and local people in the program. The entire program became grand success in all respects.